Hi, my name is Carl Legum. I'm the manufacturing engineer within the CNC department at Blue Ridge Incorporated in Overlea, Minnesota. Today I'm going to introduce you to another one of our pieces of equipment we have in this building. Behind me I have a Mazak Mega-Turn 900 VTL. VTL stands for Vertical Turning Lathe. Capabilities of this machine for max size of part, diameter we can have up to a 36.2 inch diameter part, and length we can have up to a 31.5 inch length of part. This machine, we run a lot of thin-walled and heavy-walled castings, aluminum, cast iron. Variety, we run solid bar stock through it, so variety of things. The max spindle speed on this machine is 1,250 RPM, 40 horsepower. The machine also comes equipped with a 12-tool turret. Along with this machine, we have 40-plus pieces of equipment within this facility. Blue Ridge also offers welding, robotic and manual, laser, flat and tube, assembly, paint, wet and powder. If you need any more information on this, please contact www.lu-rich.com.